Let's get it. Another bag math trick. Stay tuned for this one. I think you're going to like this one. So, this is something that a lot of people that I see, they struggle with basically for the entirety of their schooling. And that's fractions. And we use these more than you think. Fractions, decimals, and percentages could be represented via a pie chart or a circle cut up in pieces. So some of them you guys may already know, like 1 over 1. Think of the bottom number as the amount of slices a pizza has in total, and 1 is like how many slices is eaten, right? So 1 over 1 means the whole thing is 1 slice, and therefore is just one huge circle. Then you have, there's 2 total slices, 1 was eaten, right? 1 over 2 equals 1/2. Pretty easy, right? And then you have 1/3. Think of it like the peace sign, right? And you just fill in 1, right? All right, now these are starting to get really important. All right, more pieces. Something over 4 or x over 4 is simple. You just make like a plus sign or an x. So if we want to do 1 over 4, we can just color any of these 1, right? Still pretty easy, right? Now this is where it gets tricky, right? So with the 5, right, something over 5 or x over 5, you're going to think of like a star. So think of something in the middle, right there, and then its arms, boom. That's something over 5. This is going to help you a lot because 5 can help you with your 10s, with your 20s, with your 25s, to your 50s, to your 100s. But we'll get that if you know your multiplication. So 1 over 5, excuse that mark, would be just like this. I'll leave it right there. We're going to do a part 2 later, but I'm telling you, you got to know the basics before you know something complicated. All right, you know these fractions, you know your multiplication, and if you know your negative numbers, you're undefeated. All right, stay in your bag.